Very glad news to the people of Tarikere, Rangenahalli and Hunasagatta. ತರೀಕೆರೆಯ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಗ್ಲಾಸಿ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸದ್ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯು ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಸತತ 13 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ತರೀಕೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಐಸಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಪಡೆದ ಏಕೈಕ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ, ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ.
Namaste. I am Hashini, the principal of Glossy Kids Sadvidya Public School, Tarikere. Our school is the only ICSE school in Tarikere, and it's a residential school in Tarikere. Since 3 years, we are giving the very good results in the board exams. Glossy Kids is going to extend its branches in and around the Tarikere. Shortly we are opening 2 branches. One is in Hunasagatta near Tarikere, and another one is Rangenahalli near Tarikere. Glossy Kids or Sadvidya Public School never compromise with the quality.
Hello everyone, myself Manjunath, faculty of Sadvidya Public School. Glossy Kids with its colorful wings has spread its branches to Hunasagatta and also to Rangenahalli. It gives me pleasure to announcing this huge opening of such a huge knowledge centers in both these villages, especially in the urban area, and I also recommend the parents nearby to join, encourage your students to such a great environment and make them a better person for the tomorrow, as it is a very rare opportunity in such a rural area to get such a vast knowledge and also a beautiful and a family caring institution like Glossy Kids.
Hello everyone, myself Sonika. I am the faculty of Sadvidya Public School, Tarikere, ICISE KA446. I am working since 8 years. I am handling English. People who are looking for the good education, please do come and grab it soon. Thank you.
ಇದೀಗ ರಂಗೇನಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ನಾಗರತ್ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಎದುರು ಹಾಗೂ ಹುಣಸಘಟ್ಟದ ಮುದುಗುಂಡಿ ಹಾಲಯ್ಯ ಇವರ ನೂತನ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಮಯ 10 ರಿಂದ 4. ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ.